Hello, I am David Kent, and I'd like to invite you to join me at the Canadian Massage and Chiropractic Conference being held October 12th through 14th in beautiful Niagara Falls, Canada at the Sheraton on the Falls Conference Center and Casino. One of the many classes I will be teaching at the conference is entitled Head, Neck, and Back Pain, Rarely an Isolated Phenomena. These are the three most common complaints I treat in my clinic. And during this 3-hour class, I will cover plenty of tips on how to assess, palpation tips, anatomy, treatment, and patient education. Did you know that surveys indicate a high percentage of head, neck, and back pain sufferers are very frustrated with ineffective medical treatment? Sadly, many people spend their day totally consumed with the symptom they call pain. Are you looking for some empowering ways to educate your patients? Would it be helpful to learn tips to show your patients how their pain is not an isolated phenomena and how your treatments can help? Are you seeking strategies to market your practice to doctors, chiropractors, and other healthcare providers? And where do you start when the patients enter so tender you can't even touch them? Please join me to learn many effective ways to educate your patients of the effects of poor posture, myofascial trigger points, and restricted range of motion in causing their pain. I will take you through an anatomy journey through the body using un-embalmed dissection video clips prior to demonstrating hands-on treatment techniques for head, neck, and back pain. I am a practicing therapist, and I look forward to sharing many logical systems which are based on research and have been refined over the past 2 decades in my clinic. Please join me, David Kent, and register for my class, Head, Neck, and Back Pain, Rarely an Isolated Phenomena, at the Canadian Massage and Chiropractic Conference being held October 12th through 14th in Niagara Falls, Canada. You can register online at www.canadianmassageconference.com, and you can follow the conference on facebook.com/Canadian Massage Conference. If you're not able to attend the conference, please contact my office internationally at 386-574-5600 and within the United States at 888-574-5600 so we can answer any questions and keep you up to date. You can always learn more online at www.kenthealth.com, and please visit our Facebook page at facebook.com/KentHealth. I am David Kent, and I look forward to seeing you soon.